How to add your name to your iPhone lock screen. Well, first things first, open up settings and you want to head into the modes option. Now what you can do is you can simply scroll down your notification panel down below and tap and hold on the here on this icon here on do not disturb mode or modes option and then proceed to edit it. However, head into settings and head into the focus option. Once you tap on focus, what you want to do is here you can see here you can tap on add a new focus and then tap on custom. Then you want to set your name. So this way, as you can see, plus icon at the top right corner, tap on it and then tap on custom and then you can set your name here. Once you set your name, you can choose the colors, you can choose the icon here, right? Then you want to tap on next and you want to customize the focus. And you can see choose here on the lock screen. You can choose from your lock screen. You can do that as well. You can create a new lock screen, but that's not what we want here. You can tap on it and you can set it, and this way you can do this. And when you do this, your name will appear at the lock screen. As you can see, my name has appeared here when you switch to that mode. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.